Hey guys, so since we last showed the truck, we've removed the old bumper which had been welded onto the frame. That's going to need a whole cutting out. There was a tow hitch here. That's now gone. So today what I'm going to be working on is removing the rest of these little access panels that go all through the interior. I'm also going to be removing the insulation. This is like a cardboard insulation. I've already removed a piece here so you could see. This is, what these were. Not really good for much of anything. I'm probably going to be ending up replacing that with a stick-on sound dampener and insulator. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and remove those today. Get that out, see what kind of goodies might be hiding behind the walls here, and yeah, hopefully get these door panels removed a little bit more. Get some of the hardware out of here that we need. Yeah, get things into some better shape. Alright. Quick update. We've removed the panel covering the transmission. Going to be cutting out the floor here. These panels, you can't see it, but these panels are all removed.